Before you make a decision to buy Bambee, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know. Stick around until the end, because I'll give you an insider's look into its features, how it compares to competitors, and what you need to keep in mind to make an informed choice. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right fit for your business or not. First thing you need to know is how Bambee stacks up against other HR solutions. Bambee is a game changer for small businesses that need a full-service HR department but don't have the resources to hire a team. Unlike competitors like Gusto or ADP, Bambee offers a dedicated HR manager who works with you one-on-one. This is a huge advantage if you want personalized service instead of relying on automated tools or impersonal customer support. Next thing to consider is its pricing structure. Bambee's pricing might seem a bit steep at first glance compared to other HR software like Zenefits or Rippling, but you get what you pay for. The personalized HR services you get with Bambee make it more of an investment than a simple software subscription. If you're a small business that wants comprehensive HR support without the hefty overhead of a full-time HR team, this could be a huge win. Plus, you can try it completely free with the link in the description below. The third thing you should know is its employee management features. Bambee offers a solid range of tools for managing employee data, handling compliance, and creating policies, which are on par with other platforms. However, it sets itself apart by offering ongoing legal and HR advice from experts, which is especially helpful for businesses with no internal HR knowledge. If you're not familiar with HR laws, Bambee support can be a lifesaver. The fourth thing you need to consider is its onboarding experience. When you bring in new employees, Bambee makes the process smooth and hassle-free. The software guides you through all the paperwork and compliance documents, and your dedicated HR manager ensures that everything is in line with the law. While some competitors like Gusto also have onboarding tools, Bambee's hands-on approach sets it apart because it offers more personal interaction. It's not just about automation, it's about real support from a human expert. The fifth thing to know is Bambee's legal support. Unlike most HR software that only provides basic compliance features, Bambee takes it a step further by offering access to HR legal advisors to ensure that your business is always compliant with labor laws. This can save you time, money, and potentially serious legal headaches down the line. Whether you're dealing with employee disputes or trying to navigate complex regulations, Bambee's legal support is invaluable. Not every HR software comes with this level of expertise. Next up is the flexibility and scalability of Bambee. Whether you're a startup with just a few employees or a rapidly growing business, Bambee can scale with you. The software adapts to your needs and can accommodate a wide range of business sizes. Unlike competitors like Gusto, which focus more on the self-service model, Bambee gives you a full suite of HR services tailored to your business's growth. The seventh and final thing to consider before buying Bambee is the overall user experience. While other HR platforms can feel clunky or overwhelming with too many features, Bambee strikes a balance between user-friendly design and powerful HR tools. The interface is clean, easy to navigate, and designed to make managing your HR needs as simple as possible. Plus, with dedicated support, you won't feel like you're navigating a maze of tools alone. If you've made it this far, it's clear you're serious about finding the right HR software for your business. If Bambee sounds like a good fit and you want to give it a try, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and access some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out. This could be the HR solution your business has been waiting for.